Yes, the governor has spoken, and I agreed with him. Every Biafran man, both man and woman, should stay away from Nigerian protests. This is Nigerian protest, not Biafran protest. Are you getting it? Biafran protest is different from Nigerian protest. A Biafran man won an election, they leaked the election, and they choose not the Biafran man, trying to prove to us that we are not recognized in this nation. Is it in the protest that they will recognize us? We don't need the protest. There is an adage my people used to say, what
does that mean, my God?
I will explain. He that fetches firewood that is covered with ant should expect a lizard to come and dance in his premises. It's a proverb. So Nigeria are the one, they are the chief actors of what is happening. And now they want to protest. Let them go ahead and protest. They should leave the Biafrans alone. We are not part of it. Because secondly, anything that makes Igbo man to protest, Igbo man are the people to suffer it. Because all these hooligans, all these touts are the ones that will hijack the protest, at the same time begin to attack the business of the Easterners. Nigerian government will now carry it and place it upon the Easterners, Igbo people. So, and they knew it that without the Igbos, the protest will not have head. So that is why they are like trying to encourage Igbo people to join. And I'm using this medium to tell every Igbo man and woman not to join the protest. That's number one. Number two, Igbo should know this, that we are Biafrans. We are not Nigeria. And we are not talking about Nigeria, we are talking about Biafra. Anything that makes it, that is why I spoke on this platform, and I said to everyone that when you are agitating or encouraging for state creation, you are, in other words, proving to the world that you are still part of Nigeria and you still believe in one Nigeria. Are you getting it? If you still want to join them for the state creation, definitely you are like telling them that we are still one. My dear, I've said this time without number. One Nigeria is a scam. It's not true. It's a scam. Are you hearing me? So protesting, with Igbo man protesting, appears that we are still one. That means our agitation is zero. It's useless. If you are participating in what Nigeria is doing for the betterment of Nigeria, definitely you are one of them. Why are you them crying for going? Why are you agitating of leaving? Why are you telling them that you want to separate? It's of no use. Let us focus on what we are pursuing. Are you getting it? Let's just focus on what we are looking for. What we want is Biafra and nothing more than Biafra. So let Nigeria should go ahead with their protest. We are not part and we can never be part.
But you know, like the northern, the imams now, they've come out to say that this protest, they even encourage other tribes to join in the protest. Do you not think that the northerners, they have the more population with them protesting there in the north? Do you not think that will even make the protest go louder?
Hello? 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 How many times? Is it the first time that we protest in this regime?
The last one, Igbo didn't join them. The last one.
Because Igbo did not join, that is why it did not last. So they needed a lasting protest. And you know Igbo people, the way they vibrate, so now so everything about us, they vibrate. Everything inside us, they vibrate. Anything we put on hand, we they excel. Are you getting it? We don't have limits. We are not limited, we are unlimited. So everything we join, we step in, we move, and that thing stands. Are you getting it? Look at the case of Nnamdi Kanu and Igbo. Immediately the two of them, yeah, agree. What happened? They believe that by kidnapping Nnamdi Kanu, we end, concentrate with me, young man, we end the agitation, but rather the thing increase more, even far beyond. Immediately they pursue Igbo, everybody. Jakpa, did you say Igbo boys? Did I talk? Did I act? What did I do? Up till today, he's dead. So let us, the Easterners, the Igbos, not mind if the Fulani, are they not the one that give Tinubu power? Are they not the one that say you should go there? Emiloko, it is our turn. The person that win the election should be now this man. Awusa.
Maybe they realize their mistake. I can't do it.
Now it's too late. It's too late. And now I'm Ekpa. You cannot learn how to use left hand at old age. It is what? Too late. What stop them from not giving the right person is vote. In that 2023 election, that is to tell you, the whole youth of the federation, including Yorubas, they voted for the man of their choice. And that man of their choice is obedience. Everybody, including Yorubas, they voted for Obi. But because he's an Igbo man, they said they will not give it to him. Number one, they carry him go to third. Are you getting it? So now you want that person that you rejected, you abandoned, you don't want, you don't need, then you want him. You want them, him and his people, to come and protest so that you will achieve your stupid goal and continue to suppress them. No, you face it. Every Igbo man, I use this opportunity because I cannot reach you, your house or your businesses, but I believe with this, I can be able to reach each and every one of you, as many as I can. Please, do away with the protest. Remember, it will be hijacked, and when it is hijacked, everything will come on your head. Use your number 6. And I want you to understand that these people, both imam or whatsoever, they are chameleons. They want to bring you out and kill you the more. They want to bring us out and kill us the more. They want to kill us the more. It is a strategy. Be wise. A setup. A setup is coming. Have this at the back of your mind so that you will not be a coward.
Thank you.
As the Tinubu government of Nigeria, as a government of continuity of Buhari, but where is doing mistake is on Nnamdi Kanu case. I have said this several times. You should release Nnamdi Kanu, let him go before the judgment of God will come against those who participated in this predicament Nnamdi Kanu is passing through. He don't know anything. He just inherited it. As he inherited it, you should let Nnamdi Kanu go. And now, AU, African Union, coming to tell Tinubu that he should release Nnamdi Kanu. Otherwise, nature will judge him. Now, this to show you that the heaven stand with Nnamdi Kanu. Earth stand with Nnamdi Kanu. Human being stand with Nnamdi Kanu. Even the air, sun, moon, and star stand with Nnamdi Kanu. And if I were Tinubu, I will listen to them. I will listen to them. This is the first time AU to come out to speak in favor of Nnamdi Kanu, to speak in favor of Biafran agitations. But AU should do more than this. If Tinubu continue to hold Nnamdi Kanu, they should sanction Nigeria. They should sanction Nigeria. And the immediately AU sanction Nigeria, you see that other world body will follow suit. Because Nigeria did it, kidnap him. All this organization or world body keep silent watching Nigeria. Had it been that time Buhari did it, they used strong action against Nigeria. Body could have succumbed. But AU should do more than speaking with mouth. They should take action. And the Tinubu, they listen to Nnamdi Kanu. Igbos, Biafrans, we see him as most courageous man. And Biafra will pay pali pali. Biafra will be in pali pali with him. Even after when he have come down from the power. His family, when he Biafra remember what he did by releasing Nnamdi Kanu, his family will enjoy Biafran government in their life. Even they wouldn't mind to mortalize Tulumbu in Biafra land. It will happen if he releases Nnamdi Kanu. And the Tulumbu should consider Biafra has shown him gesture for the first time. Let him pay back. Because at the first time, they want to do protests against Tulumbu. The West, his brothers, the Yorubas, have allied with the North to carry out that protest. But the Biafrans said, no, we're not going to participate. Tulumbu is okay. Let him continue to rule. That's what hindered that protest. It did not carry out because the Biafrans said no. Before they start planning this second protest again. And it seems that the Biafra have given them signal. We are not participating. So if you watch it in every other thing, Biafra is showing Tulumbu kindness. Let him pay Biafra back by releasing Nnamdi Kanu. Even Peter Obi, who is Biafra, they're trying to disassociate himself from Biafra. When the result was given, Obi didn't want to rise up to protest. He told them, say, no, don't protest. Let us follow it in this way. Had it been Peter Obi encouraged them to protest, people can find it difficult to be there. And Peter Obi showed maturity, showed oneness, showed kindness to Tulumbu by telling people not to protest, obedient not to rise up. I'm telling you, had you been obedient rise up, people cannot swear in. So all these things is what Tulumbu should consider. That the Biafrans have done him well. He should raise them to pay Biafrans back what they have done unto him. You see? But he's continue holding Nnamdi Kanu. Although nobody knows what is in his mind. You cannot, we are human being, you cannot break anybody's heart to know what is his mind. Unless when you speak it out or took action or take action before you know that this is what this man is doing. But let me assure everybody, whether Tulumbu agreed to release Nnamdi Kanu or not, immediately Biafra is restored. This December 2nd, 2024, our able God-given Prime Minister of government of Biafra in exile declare it, and the international body came to support, and Biafra restored. I'm giving you honesty, the next 24 hours, Nnamdi Kanu will come out. Because he's no more Nigerian citizen or dweller citizen between Britain and Nigeria. Biafra government in home have established, we order them to release him. And if they did not release him, then it becomes state versus state. Which Biafra government may sue Nigeria to court and win them. Believe me, if they sue Nigeria to court, when they establish that they did not release Nnamdi Kanu, it will be tough for Nigeria. That time sanctions will come. You see content that will rise up against Nigeria because it has been excess. So, in my own understanding, at first Nnamdi Kanu is alive. Whosoever like working against him, Nnamdi Kanu will come out. What will happen to him? My parents let him be alive. And Nnamdi Kanu cannot stay there up to 2027 though. By God's grace, he cannot stay there up to 2027. Lie.
But that would be too far. You know, that will put him 6 years in prison.
You see,
And we've seen Boko Haram, you know, just released recently, you know, integrating them into the communities. There's about 8,500 or 8,490 Boko Haram integrated into the community. You know, and these are people that have committed so many atrocities, but you know they've been let off the hook. So why would they not do the same for Nnamdi Kanu?
they cannot do the same to Nnamdi Kanu because Nnamdi Kanu is not a Boko Haram. Nnamdi Kanu is not Boko Haram. If Nnamdi Kanu is a Boko Haram, they have integrated it into Nigerian army and give him intelligent officer. He's not a Boko Haram, so don't expect him to be granted freedom because Boko Haram are not terrorists to Nigeria, but Nnamdi Kanu and IPOB are terrorists to Nigeria. Are you okay? Nnamdi Kanu and IPOB did not come from Sahel. They come from Biafra. Therefore, you don't expect them to have the same treatment with Boko Haram. Eh? Boko Haram are Nigerian foot soldier. Nnamdi Kanu is not Nigerian foot soldier. He's IPOB. They are for Biafra. That's why they see Biafrans as a threat to them.
So Tinubu should do the needful by releasing Nnamdi Kanu.
Nnamdi Kanu.
Okay.
I'm saying he will fetch someone else out. That's the joker of the year. That's the joker of the century. It's a mere saying. Instead of him to fetch someone else out, someone else will fetch him out. If someone else want to get Ifeanyi today, you get it. It's a matter of giving order. How can Ifeanyi go and fetch someone else out? Who will he send? Who will he give marching order to go to Finland and fetch him out? They thought that what happened to Nnamdi Kanu will happen to Ifeanyi. I mean, sorry, Simon Ekpa. Nnamdi Kanu case have taught the real Biafran agitators. They have taught them lessons.
But some are accusing him that it was his private jet they used to bring in Nnamdi Kanu.
Yes, I heard it.
That was his private jet they used to bring in Nnamdi Kanu.
Yes, I heard it. That it was his own private jet. They used to go and bring Nnamdi Kanu back from Kenya. And there was a time assassination attempt was made on his life. He said before he came and do a video that they attempting him to kill him, to silence everything. That he is telling them if they continue threatening his life, he will blow everything out. What happened between them and Nnamdi Kanu? They are shouting, if you buy a plane, they take him. Is he the only person that participated in it? Even he saw Senator Abari Benyine, that he's walking up and down. People they call him Senator. He's a Biafran supporters in the daytime. In the night, he said Nigerian supporters. He will come openly and say what they ought to say, but in the back, he told them, hold him, don't leave him. Now, it's only him if I but that people came to know. If they mess up again, he will expose everything. And from that time, do you see killing attempt on him anymore? Do you see anybody embarrassing him or call him bad name anymore? Because they know what they did. And he don't want to carry the blame or the shame alone. So if you want to lay it on him, he will expose it. Everybody, you know the part. Who played the part they play. You understand? So let him not to think. As Nnamdi fall Peri into their hand, Simon Ekpa will fall Peri into their hand. It's not easy. It's not easy. Okay, where will he fetch Simon Ekpa out? Is it when Biafra is declared, coming this 2022, when Nigeria, coming this December 2nd, 2024, when Nigeria will not have any right again to intrude into Biafra? When Biafra will make their law, is it that time you go and fetch someone Ekpa? Or is it now he will use close associate of Simon Ekpa to fetch him out? He cannot fetch someone Ekpa. I'll say he kidnap someone Ekpa or holding him. But Simon Ekpa will be careful. Will be careful for using closing associate to poison his food. Because that's the only thing they can do now. They have not, the last attempt was when they want, as they want to lobby him with money. He said no. They may use close associates of Simon Ekpa to poison his food